Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 18 in the collection. It's Holzfforma G888. It's like a generic 880 steel. And let's look it over here. You know, Holzfforma, they're a Chinese company. They started several years ago with that 070 clone. So the first ones wasn't that good, but they get better all the time. And now these are good saws, and we need to add them to our collection because they're not going anywhere. They're here to stay because you can get 3 of these with the bar and chain for the price of one steel 880. 881 now. And that's a big difference. Alright, let's look at this one. You got the 48-inch bar on this. It came with this chain, which is skip tooth, regular chain, and a ripping chain. And let's look at it here. It's got 2 big dogs on it. And let's see. Got one of them last to start. Compression release, which that's not that good. I think I'll put a steel one on, or a Husqvarna or something. And spin it around here. This thing's heavy. Not so bad till I put that bar on it, and then it's way heavy because if it's not a solid bar, I can't tell the difference, which seems like a pretty good bar. And everything's about like a steel on it. One difference, you can still adjust the carburetor on this. The new steels, you can't, which I don't like. I don't like that at all. It's got that, which I might get used to it and it'll be fine, but right now I don't like it. It's about smacked my hand off the first time I tried to start it. Let's look here. There's another thing I don't like. This air filter. Looks like that's going to not flow very good after a little while, so I'll probably upgrade that to one of those Max Air or generic version. They're all about the same. They got the washable foam. I've used them on my 660 for, I don't know, 10 years, and I really like them, so we'll move to that. And this muffler, if you can see here, inside there, the actual muffler, it's just a 1/2-inch hole. That's all it's got, which that ain't enough. So we'll probably do a little something with that. And it's just got it out of the box today, so you can see it's rich. It's running real rich, which somebody tuned it to do that. I think it tacked about 95, which that's rich. And when I got this thing out of the box, this is the Farmer Tech version. Somebody had put a little oil and gas in it and actually run the saw. Of course, they drained it out best they could, but I'm glad they did. I don't know if Holzfforma did it, or Farmer Tech, or I got it from Wagner's Chainsaw on eBay. That was the best deal I could find, and they might have done it before they sent it out. So I appreciate it, whoever did it. At least they made sure it would run. And do I like the saw? Yeah, I like it a lot. You know, just a couple little things that it wouldn't matter if it was a brand new steel. I'd still upgrade those 2 things because it still ain't really The air filter's a little better on the steel. It's better than that, but the muffler ain't. So, yeah, I would upgrade those two things anyway. And we'll do a video of it running after a while. I'm going to leave it rich for a little while. And then we'll be a while before I actually tune it. But we'll try and use it a little bit and see how it works. Let me see if I can crank it. I'll have to set it on the ground because that compression release is kind of different. My sheep are oblivious to chainsaws. That's a noise they've heard all their lives. That don't mean nothing to them. Alright. We'll do a video of it cutting after a while and an update every now and then, but here we have it. So number 18, Holzfforma G888. So far, I like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.